I decided to do something kind of this is me. You have been watching my videos for over a year now, and I decided that it would be nice to meet you. So, my name is Henkka, and this is my garage, Uotilagarage. So, I usually shoot these videos with the Nikon 3100, and this is an old, maybe 10 years old already, but it works fine. Sometimes I like to film these videos with my other camera, with this one. This one, it's a Nikon1 J5. It has a flip screen and it's quite nice. It's new. Normally, as a day job, I change tires and sell them in the local tire shop, and sometimes I get time in the evenings to come here and do some metalworking and all the things I like to make. The garage is about 40 square meters, and as you can see, there's my wife's car and there's my work car, so it's it's full. These are the welding masks that I use. This is some old one. It's broken almost. It's nice. It's an automatic mask, and this one is my baby. It's a Servore Autolift. It has a automatic mask, and when you push this one, it transfers it to grinding mask, so it's clear. I got it from Polar Weld Fin, link in the description, and I freaking love it. It's amazing. So there's my workbench. I got it from my dad. It's good size, and there's some bins for the nuts and bolts and every whatnot. There's my tool wall. It's cluttered, yeah, I know, but it has all the tools I need. There's my drills, and there's a clamp rack I made a little while ago. Super simple, super easy. And there's the Weldingmask hook. There's a video about it, yeah. There's the fume extractor for the welding gases. There's a video about it. So here's my welder. It's an Esab LK150, and it runs on 230 volts. It's and there's the Nikon bottle I use. It's a quite nice welder. It's my friend's. I got it from him for loan, and it's been with me about 2 years now, maybe. And there you can change the wire feed and the power. So here's my welding table. It's nothing fancy. It's just a piece of thin sheet metal in the under it. There's my toolbox and the little table that I made. It's on wheels. Maybe we should make something. These are just normal washers. 2 smalls, 1 little bigger. You can see it here. Yeah. So my idea was to make something out of these. That should go right over there. And now some welding. So this is my drill press. It's a cheap Chinese one, but it works. So there's this. Let's make a hole. Maybe some wire brushing. This is the bench grinder that I got from my wife's granddad. let's grind a little. My sander. It has a rotating bit and the belt, and it goes up and down, and you can adjust the angle for this. Back at the bench, this is my bench vise, and maybe some filing. So yeah, there you have it. A little keychain made from 3 washers. Maybe looks like an owl. I don't know. I think that's about it. If you have some questions, please shoot them in the comments. Find me on Instagram at Uotilagarage and also on Facebook. Oh yeah, one more thing. This is the tripod I made. There's a video, you know. It's made from old lamp. I quite like it. It has there's this lamp bit over here, and there's some camera attachments, so you can adjust the angles. It goes up and down, and there's the leg assembly. I added this counterweight for the camera because the Nikon is quite heavy, and maybe it needs some kind of weight on the bottom so it doesn't tip over. Yeah, so thanks for watching and see you next time.